Here's your code from the last puzzle. Try editing the variable in other ways. What happens if you start out with length less than 150? What happens if you change length by a number greater or less than 10? What happens if you turn by 119 or 121 degrees?